Welcome back. After understanding DBT fundamentals, modeling, and testing, the next step is to see how DBT projects are deployed, optimized, and maintained for real-world use. This section focuses on DBT deployment strategies, performance tuning, and best practices that ensure data pipelines run efficiently and reliably at scale. We will explore how to manage environments safely, automate runs, optimize models for performance, and follow industry-standard best practices. These concepts are critical not only for building production-ready pipelines, but also for interviews, as they reflect the practical skills required in analytics engineering roles. What is deployment in DBT? Answer: deployment is the process of moving DBT code to production. It ensures transformations run on real business data. Deployment follows controlled workflows. It reduces production risks. How is DBT deployed in real projects? Answer: DBT code is stored in version control systems. Changes are reviewed before deployment. Automated jobs run DBT in production. This ensures consistency and reliability. What is CI/CD in DBT? Answer: CI/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. It validates DBT code automatically. Tests run before production execution. This reduces human errors. What is DBT Cloud Scheduler? Answer: DBT Cloud Scheduler runs DBT jobs automatically. Jobs run at scheduled times. It supports production automation, reduces manual execution. What is a DBT job? Answer: a DBT job is a configured execution of DBT commands. It includes run, test, and snapshot steps. Jobs define execution order, used for automation. What is environment separation in DBT? Answer: environment separation isolates development and production. Developers work without affecting live data. It prevents accidental changes, supports safe deployments. What are DBT best practices for model performance? Answer: use incremental models for large datasets. Avoid unnecessary complex joins. Choose proper materializations. Optimize SQL logic. What is query optimization in DBT? Answer: query optimization improves execution speed. It reduces warehouse resource usage. Efficient SQL improves performance. DBT supports optimization through model design. What is the importance of incremental strategy in DBT? Answer: incremental strategy processes only new data. It significantly reduces runtime, suitable for large fact tables. Improves scalability. What is on-run start and on-run end in DBT? Answer: these are DBT hooks. They run SQL before or after execution, used for logging or cleanup tasks. Enhance automation. What are DBT hooks used for? Answer: hooks execute custom SQL at specific times, used for auditing or maintenance. Improve operational control. Support advanced workflows. What is partial parsing in DBT? Answer: partial parsing speeds up DBT runs. DBT parses only changed files. Reduces startup time. Improves developer productivity. How does DBT handle large datasets efficiently? Answer: uses incremental models. Leverages warehouse scaling. Optimizes SQL execution. Reduces full refresh runs. What is DBT model selection? Answer: model selection controls which models to run. Uses tags, paths, or dependencies. Reduces unnecessary execution. Improves efficiency. What is selective testing in DBT? Answer. Tests run only on selected models. Saves time during development. Focuses on affected models. Improves workflow speed. What is full refresh in DBT? Answer. Full refresh rebuilds models completely. Used for incremental models. Helps correct historical issues. Should be used carefully. How does DBT support monitoring? Answer. Logs execution details. Captures test results. Integrates with alerting tools. Supports operational visibility. What are DBT run artifacts? Answer. Artifacts include manifest and run results. They store metadata, used for lineage and auditing. Support advanced integrations. What is rollback strategy in DBT? Answer. Rollback restores stable versions of code. Uses version control history. Minimizes production impact. Supports recovery. How does DBT support team scalability? Answer. Modular design supports collaboration. Version control manages changes. Standard practices reduce conflicts. Teams scale efficiently. What is DBT performance tuning? Answer. Performance tuning improves execution time. Focuses on SQL efficiency. Uses warehouse features. Ensures cost control. What is cost optimization in DBT? Answer. Reduces unnecessary warehouse usage. Uses incremental processing. Optimizes run frequency. Controls operational costs. What is DBT production readiness? Answer. Ensures models are tested and documented. Follows best practices. Supports automation. Reduces failure risk. Why are DBT best practices important for interviews? Answer. Interviewers assess production understanding. Best practices show maturity. Reflect real-world experience. Improve confidence. How does DBT ensure long-term maintainability? Answer. Modular models simplify changes. Documentation explains logic. Testing prevents regressions. Supports sustainable analytics systems. Thank you for watching ZoomInData. Subscribe and follow for more content.